All right, let's break down the world of numbers. Think of it like a character roster in a massive game. Each number type has its own stats and abilities. First up, we have natural numbers, denoted by capital N. These are your basic counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, like counting your Snapchat streak. Add 0 and all the negatives and you get integers, denoted by capital Z. These are perfect for tracking your bank balance. Positive when your part-time job pays, negative after buying new trainers. Then there are the VIPs, prime numbers. These are numbers greater than 1 that are only divisible by 1 and themselves. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. They're the unique fundamental building blocks of all other integers. Speaking of building, square numbers, like 1, 4, 9, 16, and cube numbers, like 1, 8, 27, 64, are what you get when you multiply a number by itself once, that is x squared, or twice, that is x cubed. Most numbers you use, like 0.5 or 3/4, are rational numbers because they can be written as a fraction. But some numbers are rebels. Irrational numbers, like pi or the square root of 2, have decimal parts that go on forever without repeating. They just can't be contained in a simple fraction. Every number also has a reciprocal. Just flip it. The reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. Now, let's talk relationships. Factors are numbers that divide evenly into another number. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Multiples are what you get from a number's times table. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, and so on. The coolest trick is breaking any number down into its unique code of prime factors, called prime factorisation. For example, 72 equals 2 cubed multiplied by 3 squared. This is super useful for finding the highest common factor, HCF, the biggest factor two numbers share, and the lowest common multiple, LCM, the smallest number that's a multiple of both. Think of HCF as finding the biggest possible group size for a project, and LCM as figuring out when your and your friends' streaming subscriptions will renew on the same day. Mastering these types and properties is like having the ultimate cheat sheet for the number chapter. You got this!